seems that the residents of a local apartment block have decided not to pay their protection money. The boss wants to send a message to anyone else thinking of not paying up. I stashed a remote trigger bomb down the nearby alleyway. Go and pick it up. Okay, now put it down next to the apartment block. Great! Now, get out of there and blow the sky high. Ah, excellent. Here's your cash. Head to the phones for more missions.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Inside with a drug lord is got a ship hidden in a bus to the east of the coast. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, you only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a test.
This is my car now.
As we say in German, gut gemacht. Here's your money. But keep an eye open for the cops. Go back to the phones if you want more missions.